So our goal is to squish this into the shape that we need without necessarily holding on to it for any length of time.
Hi, I'm Natalie Madison of Art is in Cakes, where we give you the tools and the knowledge to build your passion for baking. And today we're going to show you how to
So I'm gonna take the 3 chunks here and just using some man strength, just mash it up into kind of a log. And it's gotta be a little bit squishy or it's not gonna stick together. But if your hands are really, really hot, this may end up being a challenge. We need to be able to knead it together. Feel free to use the table too. And I can't do this while sitting down. I have to stand up and mash it down into the stainless steel table and work it into a smooth, homogeneous mass. Say that 12 times. So once I have it kind of worked into a homogeneous mass, I stop touching it. There was this one time in July, I had to create Betty Boop, and she had this cute little leg up in the air, and it was thin, and it was white chocolate, and that darn leg kept flopping over, and it was so hot. Finally, I ended up having to roll the leg, shape the knee and the little foot, and I went to lunch. And I let the chocolate cool off. By the time I came back, I could hold it up and the leg was straight up. I was like, yes. So modeling chocolate creates a need for patience. And a lot of times I've done classes and people just want to hold on to it. And I'm like, as you're holding on to it, you're transferring more and more heat into that chocolate, making it squishier and squishier and squishier. So I generally say, once you have it into kind of the shape you want, let the table do the rest of the work for you. All right. We are going to create a shape. Watch the shape real quick while you're putting yours together. I create something that looks a little bit like a club, Bam Bam's Club. Anybody here? All right, Bam Bam's Club. And then right about here is that break in that tail, right? So I need to thin that portion down without really affecting the backside. So I'm going to roll my palm, like this part of my hand, right across there to create that little indentation, and then even it out by pressing then with my palm that direction toward the base. And then I'm going to do a little bit toward the tail end.